Okay, so you've opened your county file and you'll look at something like this. And what we're going to do with this is turn this worksheet into some visualizations of the data, of just the master's data that we need. So the first thing we're going to do is see this column of dates of birth. We're going to insert a column next to it and change those dates of birth to ages. Then we're going to remove everyone who is under the age of 38. And then we're going to remove people who aren't who don't have the right membership type to be able to compete in Masters. So in order to do that, the first thing we do is we're going to click on any of these cells, hit Control-T to change our spreadsheet into a table. And then we'll just go back over here and then go right-click here and then scroll to the top and then click on the date of birth. Now we're going to insert a column to the left of date of birth and put some ages in. So to do that, you simply hover over the column, left click on it, then right click and click insert, and then we've got a new column name. We're going to call this age, and in the next row we're going to now type the formula. So that is equals date diff, open up a bracket, select that cell of the first date of birth, put a comma, then today with no entries, then another comma, and then we're going to return the year and then just close that bracket off, hit that once, and we've now got all the ages populated alongside those dates of birth. So the first thing we're going to do now is just scroll down this list until we get to the number 38, and we're going to delete everyone underneath 38. And there it is, line 480. So we select it once and then hold down the left click on your mouse and just let's just drag this all the way down to the bottom, and then we'll right click somewhere and delete the cells. So there we go, to there, right click anywhere there, click delete, and now all we have is the people who are aged 38 and above. Now what we'll do is we'll move over to the membership type column, and this time we're going to sort the data. So we're going to sort on the membership type. So we scroll down, select membership type. We'll actually do Z to A. It's a little bit easier because some of the things that we want are near the top. So we don't want staff players. We're just going to select this row. We don't want that. And we're going to left click and just keep dragging down, keeping your finger on the left click. And we'll get rid of registered coaches as well. Then just right click anywhere in here and delete. Then we'll scroll down again. We've got some play clubs, which may be useful. If they're not, just do the same thing. We've got some HVOs here. We don't want the HVOs, so select the one row, then keep your finger on the left mouse button and just scroll down. We don't want fan members either, so we will just right click somewhere there and delete those. Then we have our coach members here. We don't really want coach members necessarily, so we can take those out. And then I think all the rest are club players. And there's a few blanks at the end as well, I think. Yeah, there's quite a few blanks. Okay, so we've just done 3 things. We have inserted a column with ages in. We've taken away everyone who's under the age of 38, because those are the Masters age players, 38 and above. And we've removed everyone who isn't either a club player or a compete player in some way, shape or form. And the next thing we're going to do with this data is visualize it. So we'll do that in the next video.